So we were doing this problem solving question from the SAT. So you have a table over here where you could see that if you're working in the human resource with a bachelor's degree, there are 4 individuals. With a master's degree, there's 2 individuals. However, in accounting with a bachelor's degree, you have slightly lower 3, and with a master's degree, you have 6 individuals, which is slightly higher than the master's degree in human resource. So what you have to do is basically, the table above shows the number of people who work in the human resource and accounting department of a company and the highest level of education they have completed. A person from one of this department is to be chosen at random. That means it's a probability question over here. If the person chosen works in the human resource department, what is the probability that the highest level of education the person completed is a master's degree? Now, this might seem a little complicated because you have a lot of data over here, but you have to figure out, because over here, what we are confused about is we do know that the probability of highest level of education is a master's degree. We know that the numerator is 2, but the question becomes the denominator. Do we take 4 plus 2, 6 as the denominator? Is that the total? Or should we take 2 and 6 as a denominator, which is an 8? Or should we just add all of these numbers together and that would be our total? So how do we approach this one? So in this case, what I would suggest over here is the probability. We definitely know the numerator is 2 because there are 2 individuals with a master's degree over there. But read the question properly over here. What is the probability the highest level of education the person completed is a master? If a person chosen works in the human resource department, this is the keyword. If the person chosen works in the human resource department, that means you only have to focus in the human resource, not the total. Though you have a lot of data, that's just to confuse you. You only have to look at the total in the human resource. Why? Because if the person chosen works in the human resource department, that's why your total will be 2 divided by 6, which is basically, if you simplify, is 1 by 3. So your answer is B.